Hello guys and welcome to my new video. After you liked my last Uniswap bot on Reddit, I decided to show you a new and better front-run bot for PancakeSwap. The bot uses the Binance Smart Chain and I'm very convinced of it because it works really well for me. Okay, but first we start by connecting our MetaMask wallet to Remix. To do this we open the MetaMask website and then you can easily install it by using this button. It's also supported by several other browsers, as you can see. A question I'm often asked is, can I use my smartphone? Unfortunately, this is not yet possible. The bot only works on a desktop, computer or notebook. And after you created a wallet, the next step is to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. To do this, you only need to open the academy.binance.com website, then scroll down until you see mainnet. That's the network we are looking for. Now you only need to add the network and copy and paste everything from this website to MetaMask. And at the end, it should look like this on your MetaMask. Then you can hit save and we are able to deploy the smart contract. For this, we go to remix.ethereum.org and then on Solidity compiler. Then we need to choose version 0.6.6 plus commit because that's the version of our bot smart contract. Now go back to the file explorer and create a new file. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it my front run bot. Okay. And in the next step, we only need to copy and paste my code here. That's this one. That's my code. Just copy it. And before I forget it, there's one question I get asked sometimes, and that's what is in the code, or could this code be also a scam or something like that? And you can easily check it yourself because wallet addresses usually start with a 0x like this one. So now we will search 0x in the code. And as you can see, there's only one wallet address with a 0x. And that's this one on the top here. Now we will copy it, check it on Binance Smart Chain scan. And as you can see, that's only the official BNB wallet address with a value of $2 billion. So it's only the contract of the BNB token. Yeah. Let's go back to Remix. And now we need to copy my code again. So paste it right over here. Go back to the compiler. Hit the compile button. And after that, you should see a green check mark right over here. Now we are ready for the next step. We need to fund our MetaMask wallet, which we have created. I have already done this, as you can see. I have 5 BNB here. And at this point, you might be asking yourself, how much BNB should I use for the bot? I've tried it with several values, and you should use at least a minimum of about 0.3 BNB or more, because otherwise the profits are often eaten up by gas fees and high slippages. But I usually use like about 5 BNB and I had never any problems with it. Okay. After funding your wallet, you need to go back to Remix and then on deploy and run transactions. Now for the environment, we choose injected Web3. That's your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, it opens. Just hit on connect. Now you can see your BNB wallet right over here. Okay, now we need to hit the deploy button and wait for on transaction to confirm. So, and here you can find the bot contract address which you have created right now, and you need only copy it, then go on MetaMask, send, use this address. As I said, I will use 5 BNB, send, next, confirm. We need to pay a very small transaction fee. Now we just have to wait a moment for the transaction to confirm. And yeah, everything is ready for the last step now. The last thing we need to do is we need to open our deployed bot contract and then hit simply the action button. Now you need to confirm again the transaction with a small fee. Hit confirm. So, and now your bot is running. As simple as that. Finally, I would like to mention two things. First, there is no virtual sign that the bot is running, but if the bot is finished, your starting balance and the profits are simply sent back to your MetaMask wallet. And the other thing is, most of the time the bot finds a front run after like 1 or 2 minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 30 minutes. You only need to check your MetaMask wallet from time to time. But now let's take another look at my wallet to see if the bot has already brought some profits to me in this short time. Okay. And as you can see, guys, I made 3.9 BNB profit in, what was it, about like 2 minutes, and that's really amazing in my opinion. Okay, but now we have really come to the end of the video. Feel free to try the bot, leave a like if I could help you, and I hope I can see you in the next video. Bye bye!